All right, so we're doing the circumference and area of shapes test. Please make sure you write your name and the date at the top. Number 1, the distance from the center of the circle to the edge is the blank. The distance from the center of the circle to the edge. A, diameter. B, circumference. C, radius. Or D, area. Go ahead and press pause so that you can mark your answer. Number 2, the distance from one edge of the circle through the center of the circle to the other edge is the blank. So this is the distance from one edge, hits the center, and then it goes to the other edge. Is this A, the diameter, B, circumference, C, radius, or D, area? Press pause and mark your answer. Number 3, if the diameter of a circle is 9 meters, what is the radius of the circle? A, 18 meters, B, 28.26, C, 63.56, or D, 4.5. Press pause and mark your answer. Number 4, which of these best describes pi? It's the square root, A, the square root of the area of a circle. B, the ratio of the radius of a circle to its diameter. C, the radius of a circle times 3.14. Or D, the ratio of the circumference of a circle to its diameter. Press pause and mark your answer. Number 5, a circular tablecloth has a radius of 2.5 feet. Kyle is sewing a piece of ribbon around the edge of the tablecloth. If Kyle has exactly enough ribbon, which measurement is closest to the length of the piece of ribbon in feet? So again, the radius is 2.5 feet of the tablecloth. Kyle is sewing a piece of ribbon around the edge of the tablecloth. If he has exactly enough ribbon, which is closest to the length of the piece of ribbon in feet? Press pause and mark your answer. Number 6, a group of students stood in a circle to play a game. The circle had a diameter of 22 meters. Which measurement is closest to the circumference of the circle in meters? Review A, B, C, and D. Press pause and mark your answer. Number 7, triangle PQR is shown. Use the ruler provided to measure the dimensions of the triangle to the nearest half inch. So you're going to use the ruler that you have and measure the dimensions of the triangle to the nearest half inch. And here's your question. Which measurement is closest to the area of the triangle PQR in square inches? The area of the triangle. Review your answer choices and mark your answer. Number 8, Macy measures a truck's tire mark for one complete revolution as 120.48 inches long. What is the diameter of the tire? Round to the nearest tenth. The formula I will use, you need to mark that in that blank right there. Which formula you're going to use to get this, okay? Make sure you know what a revolution is as well. Ask questions if you need to. Number 9, the playground at a park is shaped like a trapezoid. The dimensions of the playground are shown in the diagram. So take a look at the diagram. You'll notice that the trapezoid has all the measurements for all the sides and in the inside. And you're trying to find out what is the area of the playground in square feet. What is the area of the playground in square feet? Press pause. Number 10. The diagram below shows a circle with a diameter of 8.6 centimeters. So round to the nearest tenth, and what's the approximate circumference of the circle? Make sure that for the test you're showing all of your work, okay? So on this one as well, what's the approximate circumference? Write out your formula on your test and then solve it. Okay, rewind the video if you need to review any of the other questions. And make sure your name is on the test.